Hey guys, so today I'm just going to do a really quick makeup tutorial. So first what I like to do is I like to put on my eyeshadow, and I really like to use a lighter color, especially if I'm going to do some layering. I use a really small flat tipped brush just so I can get in all the cracks and crevices of the eye, and for this I'm just using a really light color. And as you guys can see, I am clearly right-handed for a lot of this video. There's going to be a lot of shots like that. So yeah, I just literally cover my entire eye with the lightly colored eyeshadow, and it makes it look really pretty and really professional when then I layer it on with a darker color. And for this, I like to just do the crease of my eyelid. I don't do the entire eyelid. And the next, I like to use a glittery color, and I just put it on the ends of the eyelid. I don't cover the entire eyelid. As you can see, I only put it on the far ends. And next, I like to use a lengthening mascara, and it usually either comes in white or in a really clear color, but I use this just to make my eyelashes look much bigger than what they already are. I don't use this too often, but when I do, you're definitely going to want to layer it on very lightly. And then next, I just put my foundation, and I just take a sponge and just evenly layer it across my face. I don't like to put too much on because my face breaks out really easily. And then next, I just use a basic mascara, and I really like to use Jet Black just because it makes my eyelashes look so much fuller. And then, I'm just fanning it and stuff. And then next, I like to use a much lighter color than my skin tone. And for this, I'm just going to put it, as you saw, on the edge of my face on both sides, and then it should just look like that. And then next, you just blend it in, and it should add a really nice lightening effect to your face. And then next, I just use a simple eyeliner. I like to use liquid because it's so much easier. And then I just moisturize. And then next, I like to use brightening powder, and I literally just put this under my eye with a very flat tip brush, or a very small flat tip brush, sorry. And then I just put it under my eye, and I like to do it halfway. So pretend there's a line going down your eye, and then just do it halfway. Okay, that's all we have for today. Bye.